एवरीवन, वेलकम टू हेरन अकेडमीज ब्लॉग। इस ब्लॉग में आज मैं आपको कुछ वर्ड्स दूंगी विच आर एडजेक्टिव्स एंड दे आर वेरी वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग। मोस्ट ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट्स दे आस्क मी एंड व्हेन दे आर conversing they generally get confused to use these adjectives. See, adjectives and there are words, we have to understand the power of the words because एक बार अगर आपने उस वर्ड को गलत यूज कर लिया so the whole sense of the sentence gets changed. Yes, it is not like this कि ये वाला वर्ड भी लगा सकते हैं, वो वाला वर्ड भी लगा सकते हैं और ये वाला भी हम लगा सकते हैं. It is not like this. Synonyms जो होते हैं वो एक ही वर्ड के different characteristics को सिमिलर टाइप्स में डिफाइन करते हैं. बट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग क्या होती है कि कौन से सेंस में हम कौन से वाले सिनोनिम को लगाएंगे. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट डिफाइंस द सेंस ऑफ द सेंटेंस. या बट इस ब्लॉग में आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू दैट देयर आर सर्टेन एडजेक्टिव्स व्हिच आर वेरी वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग. लेट अस सी वो कौन से हैं. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट वन इज ओल्ड, ओल्डर, ओल्डेस्ट. ठीक है, ये हम कहाँ लगाए और एल्डर एंड एल्डेस्ट हम कहाँ लगाए, क्योंकि ये भी ओल्ड क्या है, पुराना, और एल्डर में क्या होता है, ये भी. बट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू इज ही इज माय ओल्डर ब्रदर. नो, ही इज माय एल्डर ब्रदर. यस, ही इज ओल्डर टू मी बाय 2 years. Yes, and I am the eldest. So when you are talking about the family, you will speak elder and eldest. He is my elder brother. He is elder to me and I am the eldest in the family. I am the eldest in the family. ठीक है, सो ये क्या हुआ, जब हम फैमिली को डिफाइन करके बात करते हैं एज की, नंबर की, देन वी आर गोइंग टू यूज दिस. बट अगर हम ए सिमिलर फैमिली को नहीं बोलते हैं देन वी आर गोइंग टू यूज ओनली द नंबर व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग ओनली अबाउट द नंबर इन सेंस ऑफ एज. राइट, ही इज ओल्ड, राइट, ही इज ओल्डर टू मी बाय 2 months. वो मुझसे 2 महीने बड़ा है. सो ही इज ओल्डर टू मी बाय 2 months. हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि ही इज एल्डर टू मी बाय 2 months. Then it becomes incorrect English. Always keep it in mind. He is my elder brother. He is elder to me, but he is older to me by 2 months. So जब हम एज की बात करते हैं not between the family, so we use this. It is an old tree. It is an old tree, right? But this tree is older than that tree. So you can use this old, older, oldest with person, place, thing, for anything. But here this is you are going to use only with humans, right, and belonging to the family only, not otherwise. This you can use it to anybody and everybody in relation to the number and age. Number and age, right? It is an old bottle, but this bottle is older than that bottle. But I have an oldest bottle. Yeah, it is of my eldest brother. So when you're talking about in the family, you will use elder and eldest. But if you're talking about only the age or number की हम बात करेंगे, you will use this, right? Yeah. So these are the correct use of the age. यहाँ family और यहाँ particularly age in number. Second, now there is lot of confusion जब हम later, late, latest, latter and last करते हैं तो. Yeah, sometimes I feel कि I have to keep explaining to my students, so I thought let me make a blog so that all my students can see and understand from here. Correct. So now when I say later, so later means what? It is in relation to time. Yeah, I will see you later. Later means by some time. By some time, not now. Means अभी से बाद वाले टाइम को जब हम बोलते हैं, that is the next time, then we say later. Correct. And this late is when you are just trying to say that you are late. I am late today. I came late today. I am always late. So late, you are a very late boy. So when you are using this adjective in relation to your state, कि अब आप क्या हो गए हो? Late हो गए हो. You logged in late. Yeah. So when you are talking about the state, then you will say this. And now when you put latest, that means it is the fresh or it is a new edition. यहाँ क्या था बाद में और यहाँ क्या है एकदम नया ताजा latest. So this is later. It is a later edition. मतलब ये बाद वाला edition है. I should write it here. It is a later edition. Yes. And this is the fresh or the latest edition. Yeah. Always keep it in mind. No confusion. It is the later edition. Means ये वाला जो edition है ये बाद वाला. It is the later edition. And ये वाला जो edition है ये सबसे नया वाला edition है. Yes. And later means, okay, it is when you are talking about two things और sequence में वो second in number है. So ये किस condition में आएगा? Former means पहले वाला and then later. Okay? So former and later. Yes. See, two friends are going. दो दोस्त जा रहे हैं. ठीक है क्या? So जो आगे जा रहा है former one is my brother और जो पीछे है the latter is my bestie. So former and latter. Yeah. So when you are saying ये पहले वाला और ये दूसरे वाला. So former means पहले वाला and latter means दूसरे वाला. So when you are trying to speak about two और जो पहले वाला और दूसरे वाला when you say then it is yes. And then last you always know that means the end. So last means the end. So be careful when you are using adjectives. Later means बाद वाला addition. Late means when you are talking about your state. And latest means it is the newest edition. Later means जब हम दो की बात करते हैं so पहला नहीं दूसरा वाला. So if I don't want the former what you show me, I want the later one. मतलब दूसरा वाला मुझे चाहिए. So हिंदी में जो दूसरा वाला बोलते हैं that is later. Yes. And the last of course you know which is not the least. Yeah. आखिरी कभी आखिरी नहीं होता, वो हमेशा आने वाले की शुरुआत होता है.